To crochet strawberry earrings, you'll need red, green, and white lace weight yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, scissors, darning needle, and a set of earring hooks. And you'll also need a little bit of stuffing, or you can just use scrap yarn. Starting with the red yarn, make a magic ring with the chain 1. Now make 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Close up the magic ring and slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 2 single crochets in the second stitch. Keep following this pattern for the full round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join, chain 1, and make 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 stitches, and 2 single crochets in the third stitch. Keep following this pattern by making your increase in every third stitch for the full round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join and chain 1. Now make 1 single crochet in each of the first 3 stitches, and 2 single crochets in the fourth stitch. Keep following this pattern by making your increase in every fourth stitch for this full round. Slip stitch to join and chain 1. Now make 1 single crochet in each of the first 4 stitches, and 2 single crochets in the 5th stitch. Keep following this pattern by making your increase in every 5th stitch for this full round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join and chain 1. Now make 1 single crochet in every stitch for 2 rounds. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Then make a decrease with stitches 5 and 6. Keep following this pattern by making a decrease with every 5th and 6th stitch for this full round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join, and before we finish off the strawberry, we're going to add seeds. So thread a small piece of white yarn onto your needle. Tuck in the magic ring tail. Then with my needle, I'm going to pierce to the bottom row of the strawberry here. And pull my tail until it's in the strawberry. While holding onto this white yarn tail, I'm going to go up, back into the strawberry, and out the top. I'm also making sure to hold onto the working yarn so we don't accidentally sew it into the inside of the strawberry. This is what your little seed will look like, and I'm going to make 3 on this row here. That's my first row of seeds. Now I'm going to make more seeds in between each of these on a row above this row. Continue making seeds all over your strawberry. You can add as many or as little as you want. Then you can tuck in this extra yarn into the strawberry along with some stuffing. For the final round of the strawberry, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then make a decrease with the next 2 stitches. Keep following this pattern by making a decrease for every other stitch for the full round. Slip stitch to join the round, and cut your yarn leaving a long tail, then thread it onto your darning needle. Now using this yarn tail, we're going to close up the top of the strawberry by going through each of these stitches here. Then pull to close this up. Now secure and cut off this extra yarn tail. This is what your strawberry will look like, and we can set this aside for now while we make the stem. Using your green yarn, make a magic ring with the chain 5. Then slip stitch into the second stitch away from the hook, and slip stitch into the next stitch as well. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and slip stitch into the magic ring. Chain 5. Now repeat these steps until you have a total of 5 leaves. Now you can cut your yarn and pull through, but make sure to leave a long tail. And close up your magic ring. Fasten off and cut the extra yarn tail from the magic ring. Now thread the remaining yarn tail onto your needle. Pierce your needle through the magic ring hole, then through the top and out the bottom of your strawberry. Then go into the bottom and out the top. Now thread your needle through this loop on your earring hook. Adjust the length that you want this stem to be and pierce back into the strawberry. and I'm piercing out the leaf this time. Then I'll go back and forth to secure some of these leaves down. After securing some of your leaves, fasten off this green end and cut off the extra. And that is your completed strawberry earring. And of course you'll need to make 2 of these for 1 set of earrings. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.